Hello and welcome back to our Businessverse Madness. So, today we explore the fascinating world of luxury brands and innovation. And we take you on an exclusive journey inside the prestigious world of Rolex, the iconic Swiss watchmaker. Join us as we uncover the secrets of their extraordinary $1 billion factory, where craftsmanship and precision come together to create horological masterpieces. From the humble beginnings of Rolex to its status as a symbol of luxury and success, this is the story of a brand that has stood the test of time. The origins of Rolex. The Rolex story began in 1905, when a young visionary named Hans Wilsdorf founded the company in London. Wilsdorf's vision was to create wristwatches that were not only reliable but also elegant and accurate. In 1910, Rolex was the first watchmaker to receive the prestigious Swiss Certificate of Chronometric Precision, a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence and accuracy. As the brand's reputation grew, Rolex moved its headquarters to Geneva, Switzerland, in 1919, where it continues to operate to this day. To craftsmanship and innovation. Rolex's commitment to craftsmanship and innovation has been central to its success. The brand employs a team of highly skilled watchmakers who meticulously assemble each timepiece by hand. The factory houses state-of-the-art machinery and technology that complement the traditional watchmaking techniques, allowing Rolex to maintain its high standards of precision and craftsmanship. One of the unique aspects of Rolex's production process is the use of in-house manufacturing for almost all components. From the movement to the case and even the dial, Rolex maintains strict control over every aspect of watchmaking. The brand's dedication to innovation is evident in its development of groundbreaking technologies, such as the perpetual self-winding movement, the first waterproof watch case, and the iconic Oyster case. 3. The art of watchmaking. Creating a Rolex watch is truly an art form. Each timepiece is crafted with an unparalleled level of attention to detail and precision. The journey of a Rolex watch starts with the selection of the finest materials, including 18-karat gold, platinum, and high-grade stainless steel. Highly skilled artisans hand-finish the watch components, ensuring that every surface is smooth, polished, and flawless. The assembly process is a delicate operation that demands the utmost care and expertise. The watchmakers meticulously fit each part together, adjusting and testing to guarantee the watch's performance and accuracy. 4. Quality control and testing. Rolex's commitment to quality control is second to none. Before a Rolex watch leaves the factory, it undergoes a series of rigorous tests to ensure it meets the brand's exacting standards. The watches are tested for accuracy and precision, exposed to extreme temperatures, and subjected to pressure tests to ensure their water resistance. Rolex is also dedicated to sustainable practices, using eco-friendly materials and recycling waste in their manufacturing processes. 5. The legacy of Rolex. Over the decades, Rolex has earned an unrivaled reputation as a symbol of luxury, precision, and success. Worn by explorers, athletes, and leaders, a Rolex watch is more than just a timepiece. It's a statement of achievement and excellence. Rolex's commitment to philanthropy is evident through its support of various charitable organizations and initiatives. In the conclusion, $1 billion factory of Rolex is a testament to the brand's dedication to perfection and its unwavering pursuit of horological excellence. From the visionary mind of Hans Wilsdorf to the skilled artisans and cutting-edge technology of today, Rolex continues to set the benchmark for luxury watchmaking. We hope you enjoyed this exclusive glimpse into the world of Rolex. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories from the realm of luxury and craftsmanship. Until next time, stay curious and keep appreciating the timeless beauty of horology.